everybody, it's Evelyn here and it's breakfast time! Forget stack of fried rice, instant noodle, Indonesian style or whatever is that, we're gonna make a simple American breakfast today. Check this out! So, what I need for this easy breakfast is egg, 2 sausages, baked bean, so you can microwave this, but I'm just going to reheat half into a frying pan, and tomato and 2 bread. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is crack egg into this bowl, and I will put a little milk and salt in here. Alright, we put milk, just a little, and salt. Alright, so we whip it up. After that, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in here, and it is a non-stick pan. Alright, so put it slowly. Actually, I'm really not sure, but rumors say that the best scrambled egg is McDonald's scrambled egg, so everybody around the world came to McDonald's and try, but I'm not sure. Okay, second, I will slice the tomato. Alright, and this is my favorite because I will put sugar, salt, and a little bit honey in here, but if you don't like, it's okay. So check this out: sugar, salt, and then put in here. Okay, I will put just wait. And after that, look at the color. Oh, it's very nice. Oh my god, smell is so nice. And make sure my sausages is cooking too. And then put the baked bean into the other pan. Well, normally it's a bacon, but yeah, well, bacon is really expensive now, and it's because quarantine. Don't have choice. Alright, just look at that. Alright, and voila! Okay, for beverage, you can choose tea like English beverage or juice, whatever you want. And this is my simple American breakfast, so we can take the taste. Awesome. Oh, it's nice. It's perfect. Mmm.